We had a chance to talk to locals while we were in Barcelona who told us about hidden gems you won't find in the usual blogs. If you're new here, we're the Slow-Mad Travelers, or Canadians with a nomadic spirit who seek a local experience and off-the-beaten-path adventures. Welcome to our channel. If you weren't able to get Gaudí tickets, do not despair. Our first hidden gem is seeing Gaudí for free. It's definitely worth seeing some of the paid Gaudí attractions, but you can also just wander the city and see lots of Gaudí on Passeig Gracia, Carrer de les Carolines, Playa Real in the Gothic Quarter, and the free areas of Parc Güell, and of course the exterior of Sagrada Familia. For a quintessential Barcelona experience, watch a football or soccer game. The best and cheapest option is to go to the official FC Barcelona site. Tickets are released a week or so before matches. Sign up for the official FC Barcelona newsletter so you get notified when tickets are released. Make sure to download the app and bring ID. When it comes to museums in Barcelona, you will be spoiled for choice. There are lots of unique museums, cathedrals, and historic sites that are free on weekends, especially in the Gothic Quarter and on Montjuic Hill, such as the Emnac and the Greek ruins. If you're keen on seeing the Picasso Museum, getting free tickets in the Old City is super easy. For all you museum lovers out there, check out the Barcelona Pass for discounted tickets. Our next hidden gem is all about diving into Barcelona's residential neighborhoods. We actually stayed in Poble cat sitting, which really let us get a feel for the local vibe. This area had some fantastic restaurant patios, even with heat warmers for the winter, plus cool artsy cafes and multicultural grocery stores. Close by to Poble was Park Primavera, which is perched on Montjuic Hill. From there, you can soak in some of the best views of the entire city, including the Sagrada Familia, the waterfront, and the cable car. If you're visiting Barcelona around Christmas or New Year's, it can definitely be crowded, but don't let that deter you. You get to take in all the beautiful lights and festivities. Be sure to wander near the cathedral in the evenings, where it's all lit up and the choir is often playing. When in Barcelona, you have to try the metro at least once. Did you know it has Europe's longest fully automated metro line, completely driverless? Its underground tunnels go as deep as 80 meters, which is the deepest in Western Europe and deeper than any metro line in the Western Hemisphere. It's also incredibly efficient, budget-friendly, and goes nearly anywhere you'd need to go. Not just in the city, but to those small, picturesque nearby towns too. For New Year's Eve, Barcelona has a spectacular light drone show instead of fireworks, which is not just beautiful but also environmentally friendly. It's near the Montjuic Magic Fountains, but I just followed the locals to a high point since I was already staying close by. Now, Barcelona isn't just a beautiful city full of art, culture, and beaches. You can also do some amazing hiking. The first hike we did was from Waters Road, or Carretera de les Aguas, down to the University Zone. To get there, we took the metro and then the Peu del Funicular. We only had to take the funicular on the way up, which brought us to the top of the hill. We had the best views of our entire trip on this hike. It's a great alternative to Tibidabo if you're not into amusement parks. Another fantastic hiking opportunity is heading to Montserrat for a day trip. You can also go to the nearby coastal town of Stiges and hike to Vilanova for a completely different coastal experience with, again, amazing views. You can easily take the metro there and back. Overall, we loved just walking the streets in Barcelona, never knowing what we would find. We never seemed to be long without some type of music playing. We loved that the city had so much nature and things you can do outdoors as well. If you want some more tips, check out my other Barcelona travel guide video. If you enjoyed coming on our journey, please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you for the next one. For tips on funding your next trip, whether you're slow traveling or just going on vacation, check out the link to our website in the comments below.